one's yours, Jaden. Here. Jalissa, this one's yours.
Thank you.
Open it, rip it.
What is it, Jaden? What is it, Mama? Tinkerbell backpack. What is that, Bina?
Mom, it's just so random for DS and for kids.
Awesome. Jaden, what is that?
I used to watch a couple dinner.
What is it, Jaden?
Show Mommy.
What is it?
He's trying to get
Car?
Mommy.
Ooh.
I love it.
You love it?
I love this one and this one.
Yeah?
No, mine.
Okay, sit down.
Everybody sit down.
Sit down. Look, more presents.
Sit down, you got more. Sit down, more.
Sit down where you were at,
Sit down where
Jalissa.
you were.
Jaden?
Okay.
Jaden,
Open
here.
it here. Jalissa. Jaden. More.
Mama, you can make bracelets and necklaces.
Awesome.
My little pony!
What is it, Mom?
You can put the tea
What
on
is it, Jaden?
and you can brush your hair.
He's trying to open it.
Go. I'm gonna try.
Cars?
What is that, Jaden? Ooh, what is it?
Where's she at?
Not yet. Look, you have more presents.
Come on, guys.
Okay, sit down.
We got a few more.
Okay, you guys lost.